The ongoing conflict in Syria has also begun to target U.S. bases. Over the past 4 days, U.S. bases in Tenef, Malakia, Shahdadi and Deir Ezzar have been attacked with armed drones and surface-to-surface weapons. News reporters in the area estimate that there are many dead. According to estimates, the death toll is hidden from the American people. The target of the attacks is not yet clearly known. Experts say the attacks were carried out by Iranian-backed groups in Syria. Other experts believe that the attacks may have been orchestrated by the Syrian regime. The Syrian regime opposes the U.S. presence in the region. The attacks have the potential to change the balances in the region. If the attacks continue, the U.S. presence in the region could become more difficult. But the Turkish government may have done it as well, because Turkey has a lot of unmanned aerial vehicles. The attacks are expected to increase tensions in the region. The attacks may also call into question the U.S. presence in Syria. Although the United States has announced plans to withdraw from Syria, it continues to maintain its presence in the region. The attacks could cause the United States to reconsider its plans to withdraw from the region.